हेलो स्टूडेंट, लास्ट वीडियो में हम लोग ने पढ़ा था कि फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशंस ऑफ यूरिन कैसे करते हैं और कौन कौन सा एस्पेक्ट हमारे लिए जरूरी रहता है कि हम लोग फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशंस में देखें. तो in last videos we have seen physical examinations of urine. We have seen the 5 important components of physical examinations like color, order, reaction, specific gravity and volume. So there are different types of methods through which we can do physical examination, especially specific gravity and pH. लेकिन जो most commonly applied technique we do for especially for both physical and chemical examinations of urine is by using dipstick method. So dipstick methods can be, the result can be observed by two ways, either by manual method wherein you compare the color with a color comparator which has been given in the main container of the dipstick, or there is an instrument that will read the concentration that will read the concentration and it will give into the printed form. So इस वीडियो में हम लोग मैनुअल मेथड को देखेंगे. मैनुअल मेथड when you observe the result by the naked eye and you report the result. Okay, so as you can see in this picture, what you required for doing dipstick method is you require a container of a urine which has a urine container with a sample, a stopwatch you required, and you required the dipstick strips with the container which contains a color comparator. Okay, so let's start the video. See, this is I told you before, in collection of urine sample that the container should have a screw cap which is very leak proof. At the same time, whenever you do sample collection, it is very much important for you to note down the name of the patient, the ward number or patient number, urine sample, at what time it is collected, in what timing it is collected. So it is very much important to note down everything in the container. So आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ में स्टूडेंट्स का पेशेंट का नाम, पेशेंट का वार्ड नंबर, पेशेंट नंबर, स्पेसिफिक कौन सा है, यूरिन सैंपल, उसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है, एट व्हाट टाइम वी हैव कलेक्टेड द यूरिन सैंपल, एंड आल्सो द टाइम ऑफ date of the collection. So it is very much important to note down each and every details in the urine container. At the same time, we can also record the same in the register. So this is the dipstick container, as I've told you. So it contains like many strips. It comes from different company, and we can do, see, it has got different parameters. So use करने से पहले लेकिन आपको date of expiry date लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. And it has got different parameters. Like some company provides like 5 parameters altogether. Some company may provide around 15 parameters together. So it depends upon what company you preferred. Okay, so it has contains a strip. वो strip से आप individual test कर सकते हो, लेकिन it is very much important whenever you take out the strip, without contaminating the other strip, and you close the lid as soon as possible. Okay, so let's start. So this is the urine container which has the urine sample on it, and now we're going to do physical and chemical examination by dipstick method. Okay, so see, can you see that there are different types of strips, many strips are there in one container. So you have to take one, immediately taking out, you need to close the lid. You need to open the cap of the urine container, then you have to dip the stick into the container and make sure that it will submerge. All the parameters जितना है वो सब urine में submerge होना पड़ेगा. And after doing it, you need to take out the strip and keep it into that table, and then you need to close the lid of a urine container. Then you need to start a stopwatch, and at least wait for around 3 to 5 minutes. So see, after 5 minutes, what you have to do now, जिस strip को आपने urine में डुबोया था, उस strip को आप लेंगे, और वो जो container है, they have that comparator there. See, can you see that different colors are there? So as you can see here, especially in glucose area, आप देख रहे हैं glucose जो है, अगर ये similar color का आया, If it is same color, then it is negative. If the color will change from this color to this color, or if it is dark in color, the concentration of glucose is increasing. Like that, we have to see the report, and we have to record it into a recorder. ओके सो अलग अलग कलर्स हैं, तो कलर्स को डिपेंड करके आप लोग हर टेस्ट का रिपोर्ट लिखेंगे. सो इसमें स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी, पीएच, ग्लूकोज, ल्यूकोसाइट, यूरोबिलिनोजन, एवरीथिंग विल कम इनटू दिस. जैसे कि सी इन दिस पिक्चर, सी कैन यू सी दिस फॉर ल्यूकोसाइट. पस सेल्स, अगर पस सेल्स आपके यूरिन में है तो कलर यहाँ से ये कलर नहीं आएगा, इट विल कम टू पर्पलिश कलर. सो पर्पल कलर होने से कितना प्लस होगा वो सब मेंशन किया होता है. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू जस्ट हैव टू कंपेयर द कलर. सो यहाँ में हम लोग मैनुअली विजुअलाइज करके इसका रिपोर्ट लिख रहे हैं, लेकिन देयर आर सम अदर इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आल्सो which read the results. Okay, so see out here now the color has not been changed of the strip, है ना. तो ये same color यहाँ में भी दिखाई दे रहा है, तो this is negative, so you write negative. So that is how you will do urine examination by dipstick method. Similarly, there are other parameters also, say here pH, specific gravity, and other tests also you can do it. So immediately after doing the dipstick method, you can discard the urine sample, or you can proceed towards microscopic examination of urine or biochemical examination of urine. So this is all regarding dipstick method. If you have any form of question regarding this video, then do comment in the comment box. Thank you so much.